Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create a custom shape in Photopea software. So get started. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see. Then you show the Photopea software. Now click from new project option. Then click. Now click from create option. Now you can see. Then you show the interface and create custom shape in Photopea. Now we can see, then we show the mini tool. Now select from shape tool and now we select from any shape. Now you can see in the manual shape, then we show custom shape. Now you can see, then we again going to the pen tool option, then click. Now click from path option. Now select from shape. Now draw a custom shape. Now you can see, then we going to the move tool option. Now we change the shape color. Now select from shape. Now click from double click. Now choose from color. Now okay. Now you can see, then again another custom shape. Now going to the pen tool option. Now click. Now draw a shape that it's. Now choose from color. Now you can see, create custom shape in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.